Kenny. Kenny the copy guy.
Come on, go this way.
Oh.
Good boy. He's a goofy. You already know.
Gonna name this Ratchet Goes Home.
Oh my goodness, he knows exactly where to go. You
Yeah?
already know.
You going in? He's like, bye, ladies. See ya. All right.
You ready? I used to give him a kiss for fun. You go get kisses. You gotta go get kisses. Hey. Oh, thank you.
And the papers for me to just like squeeze it in.
Yeah.
Aw.
Hi, Rat. He's already in his basket. You already know.
I won't crop it. You know, like him going, leaving.
You gotta get comfy. Yeah? It's a boy?
Bye, Ratchet.
We come back to visit.
Bye, baby. I'll see you later. It's like there's all kinds of goodies in here. I know. Oh,
Thank you so much.
oh, thank you. Oh, he's going in front with you.
He's gonna drive you home. No worries. We're gonna be very happy.
Oh, yay.
That is my seat. He's driving home. Yes, he's so excited he's gonna drive.